if you've replaced the battery in the key fob in your Skoda Fabia and something's wrong and the key fob doesn't work, the car doesn't want to start, you need to couple the key with the car. And how to do that? First of all, you need to make sure that you know how to get to the manual lock here, cylinder, key cylinder. So here you see a little cavity, and you may use your metal key to carefully insert it there in this cavity and open it so it slightly goes out, and then when you have both hands you can easily take this plastic cover out. I'm filming with my hands, so do it with one hand is not that convenient. So now you have access to this cylinder, and what you need to do next, you need to press any button on the fob, and within 1 minute you need to open the door with the metal key. And now your fob is registered with the car again.